I don't think I've actually done a video on the final installation of a Tileware grab bar before. So you can see my reflection there in the tile. It's a high polish. But I thought, well, I'll go on and just take a few minutes here and show you how this works. You can see that there's the barrel nut, or this slips over the part that's exposed there in the tile. And so, kind of spin this around. You can see there's a set screw that goes in. So we want to make sure that that's facing the right way. Basically, it just sits straight over that. And you want to make sure that the screw is facing down. Come in underneath here, you can see that it's facing down. And then we have one for this other peg here. We'll do the same thing. And there again, it's also facing down. They have different screws, just Phillips head. So that's on. The screw goes in. Just simply, I prefer to use a hand screwdriver instead of a cordless, so I don't strip it out. You just want to snug it down. You don't want to over tighten it. And then I'm going to double check here again and make sure that my bolts are aligned correctly to the bottom. Now that the barrels are on and they're facing down the right way, the next step is just to simply grab the grab bar. We'll put our screw heads facing down again. So once that's in place, from there, we just put those, we just have two little finish screws that will go in up underneath. That's these little guys. We'll just put them up underneath each side and we're done. And there's our finished grab bar. Everything is in underneath and done. Nice and sturdy. And there it is. And it matches up nice with the Schluter brush nickel trim above it. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon to be updated with our latest videos. If you have a question or comment, be sure to post it in the section appropriate below and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you very much for watching.